everyone, welcome back. It's me, Sarah, and today we're making tabbouli salad. Now, if you've never had tabbouli salad, it's a mixture of tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and parsley. Tabbouli in Arabic is actually pronounced tabboula. It originated from Lebanon and Syria. It's not Egyptian whatsoever, but you can find it in North Africa, the Middle East, your local food market, to literally any restaurant. And I'm making my mom's version of tabboula with a twist. Let's get chopping. So we're gonna start by rinsing off our parsley. Now we're gonna come over here and just rinse it as well as you can, just until all the dirt comes off. And then we're gonna just kind of drain it all out. And then we're gonna start chopping. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the stems off the parsley. Throw that out. You don't need any stems. And then we're going to finely chop it. And when I say finely chop, I mean this needs to be small. So we're just gonna go ahead and chop all this up. Look how beautiful this is. It's nice and finely chopped. That's perfect. Look at that. It makes a mess, but that's exactly how you want it. And now we're going to just put it in our bowl here. I already had some extras that I already had done. I want a lot, so I just added that to the bowl. And that's perfect. Now we are going to cut our cucumbers, our tomatoes, and our onion. Now we have a lime here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this lime. What I like to do is I like to roll it with the palm of my hand, get all of your muscles into this lime, because what happens is when you do this, it actually releases all of the juices, and then it's easier for you to squeeze. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to cut it in half. We're going to take our lime and we're going to squeeze it on our tabboula. Get it as much of the juice as you can. Now I'm going to add the twist. So, avocado. What we're going to do is we're going to cut it, and you got to be careful because there is a pit in it. And I'm going to go right through the middle and then turn it. Look at that. That's a beautiful avocado. Beautiful. And what you're going to do is, this is how I like to cut my avocado. I actually just slice it as it's in the skin, and then slice it the other way. Gotta be careful though, you don't want to cut yourself. And then you're going to scoop it out, so then you get these beautiful diced up pieces of avocado. All right, perfect. And now the other twist is feta cheese. So I'm going to add this whole box of feta in here. That's perfect. You can do fat-free, you can do 2% skim milk, whatever you like. That was whole milk feta, so I put that in there. And then also I'm going to add my seasoning, so my coriander, salt, and pepper. And we're going to add all that in there. The spices is up to your liking. Just taste it as you go to see if you need a little more salt, a little more pepper. I just kind of eyeball it in here. And then another thing that I do, little twist, I got my chickpeas. So my chickpeas I'm going to add in here. And then also we use bulgur wheat. Now, if you never heard of bulgur wheat, it's actually a very, very old wheat. Literally, Egyptians been eating bulgur wheat since like 1000 BC. It's so good, so healthy, a lot of protein. And a lot of people that make tabbouli or tabbouleh, they actually use couscous or they use like some type of rice. But my mom, she uses bulgur wheat. And you can also get the Egyptian version of bulgur wheat if you go to like your Egyptian deli or something. Sometimes they'll have it. They do taste a little bit different, but I just got the regular bulgur wheat. You can get it from any local market. Usually they have it like in the specialty sections. Sometimes they'll have it by like the grains and the rice. But we're gonna just add all this in here. Look how gorgeous this looks. It's amazing. Then we're going to add extra virgin olive oil. Now, this olive oil was imported from Italy, so I'm literally just eyeballing this in here. And I need a lot, just like you do with a salad dressing. You're just gonna pour and pour and pour. Just smother it with olive oil. All right, so that might be good. I might need more later though. Now we're gonna mix it up. This salad is just gorgeous. Like, it's so pretty. And then once you just mix it all up, you serve it like this. You can eat it with steak. You can have it with chicken. You can even eat it by itself like I do, because it already has the protein in it. Chickpeas, lots of fiber. So good, so healthy. And let's see how it tastes. It's so good. I love the cheese, the bulgur wheat. You can taste the lime. That's it, everyone. I'm glad I showed you how to make my mom's tabbouli with my twist. We'll see you again next time. Have a good one.